Internet, something we use every single day. We research on Google, watch YouTube, scroll Facebook, and we think this is the entire internet. But the truth is, this is only 4 to 5% of the whole internet. A massive part of the online world is hidden from your eyes, where secret markets, confidential data, government files, and even criminal networks exist. Today, we begin our full dark web series, where you will learn everything from surface web to deep web to dark web, step by step, in the simplest way. Section 1. 3 levels of the internet. Surface web, the part we see every day. This is the visible part of the internet that anyone can access easily. The surface web includes all pages indexed by search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. Anything you search on Google and see result for that's the surface web. This is only 4 to 5% of the entire internet. Examples: Google, YouTube, Facebook, Wikipedia, news portals, normal websites. Just like open shops on a street visible to everyone, surface web is the open public part of the internet. Deep web, the hidden but safe part. This is the largest portion of the internet, more than 90%. The deep web contains all pages and data that cannot be accessed without login or permission. That is why Google cannot interact it. This part are completely legal. Examples: bank account page, email inbox, Gmail, Outlook, university database, hospital medical reports, company servers, Netflix, government records. Why does Google not show this? Because they contain personal or confidential information. Google cannot scan them. Simple example: imagine a shop with a lock. Only people with they can enter. That is the deep web. Dark web, the intentionally hidden world. This is a small portion of the deep web, but the most mysterious and risky. Explanation: the dark web cannot be accessed with normal browsers. Google cannot see or index this page. Website use .onion domains. Access requires the Tor browser. Part of it's used by journalists, activities, and governments. But a large portion is used for common things found on the dark web. Secret markets, drug trafficking, stolen database, fake passport or ID, hacking tools, criminal communication, rare confidential files, scam website. Simple example: it's like a hidden underground door that normal people don't even know exists. Today we explored how hacked the internet really is and what surface, deep, and dark web truly mean. Many people think that dark web is only about crime, but the reality is most of the hidden internet is designed to protect people's privacy. In the next episode of this series, we will uncover the origin of the dark web, how it was created, who built it, and why the world's most powerful agencies still use it. If you found this interesting, give a like and don't forget to subscribe for the next episode in this dark web series.